This spotlight is brought to you by Susie Redinger of Universal Lending Corporation of Billings.
Hello everybody, we are here today with Susie with Universal Lending. Susie, tell us a little bit about Universal Lending.
Well, Universal Lending has been in Billings, Montana for 6 years. It is a 30-year-old mortgage banking firm out of Denver, Colorado, and we make home loans, and we do a lot of them. And we do purchases and we do refinances. Awesome,
very, very good. So tell me, do you guys do auto loans too, or?
No, it's 1 to 4 family. Okay. So single family homes, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, and condos or townhomes are also the type of dwellings that we also do.
All right, very good. So real estate loans, no auto loans. Now, what would you say the first step is for a couple or a person that's wanting to buy a home?
Well, they really need to come in and get pre-qualified. It's really important that we go over their income and their credit to be sure that they're comfortable with the payment and the interest rate and that they have sufficient cash to close and they know where their money is going to come from and they're comfortable with the process.
Right. Very good tip. Very important. So I understand you guys also do rural development loans. Can you tell us a little bit about how those work?
Those are for properties that are located outside the city limits of Billings, and they're available all over the state of Montana, and we can lend everywhere in the state of Montana, not just in Billings. And they're 100% financing, and there isn't any sales price restriction, but there is an income restriction as to how much a family can earn. And very good program, and definitely properties that are located in Laurel or Lockwood, Shepherd, those are the type of properties that are eligible for the RD program.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate your information. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.
For more information on residential and multifamily loans, as well as loan programs including conventional, FHA, rural development loans, contact Susie Redinger at 406-294-2661 or by email sredinger@ulc.com.